In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the new iMessage features, hidden images, and stickers on iOS 10 or later for your iPhone. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just someone who enjoys adding a little flair to your messages, learning these features will enhance your iMessaging experience dramatically. First, let's begin by launching the Messages app on your iPhone. This app, which resembles a green speech bubble icon, is likely already one of your most used apps, as it is the central hub for all your text communications. Once you have it open, you'll need to either find an existing conversation you'd like to add some new touches to, or start a new one by tapping the pencil and paper icon usually located at the top right of your screen. With your conversation window open, draw your attention to the plus symbol. This button is your gateway to adding images and stickers. By tapping this, you'll have the option to choose from your photo library, or if you're feeling spontaneous, you can use the camera icon to capture a new image right on the spot. It's a fun way to share moments, take that quick selfie, or capture an exciting scene around you. Once you have your photo selected or freshly snapped, it's time to send it, but we are going to do it with a twist. Press and hold the send button, which looks like a blue arrow. If you do this correctly, a screen will pop up. This is your send with effect option. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Look for the section labeled bubble effect. From there, choose invisible ink. This particular option adds an intriguing element of surprise, as your message or image will appear blurred and only be revealed with a swipe of the recipient's finger. It's perfect for sending personal or surprising messages, adding an element of anticipation to your conversation. After you've selected the invisible ink effect, the final step is simply tapping the send button to whisk your confetti-covered or blurred image away to the lucky recipient. Remember, the recipient will need to swipe over the image to reveal the hidden message, making this exchange interactive and fun, and voila, you've mastered a whole new way of communicating with this powerful and playful feature in iMessages. It's an excellent method to keep your messages fresh and engaging, and if you've got any friends or family still unfamiliar with these features, you can be the hero that introduces them. Enjoy elevating your text conversations to a whole new level of creative expression.